Welcome, friends of Chavara. Well, Saint Chavara was a great spiritual leader and also a social reformer. And CMI fathers or CMC sisters, they are following the legacy of Saint Chavara. And I would like to know, you have been in the institutions run by Chavara. I mean, the followers, mainly the CMI fathers and CMC sisters, you have been Chavara Vidyapit. I mean, most of your life have been, your school studies have been in the Chavara Vidyapit. And how this school has influenced your life, or how the fathers and sisters influenced your life. We would like to know your experiences and your thoughts.
We are very much eligible to answer that question because we have been students of Chavara Vidyapit and we were taught by CMC sisters, and Chavara Vidyapit, as you know, is run by CMI fathers, and also we are members of Satchidananda Ashram parish, and we have had our small organization named as Chavara Bal Sangh. To continue that point, I would like to say that one of the most important influence that Saint Chavara had me, and how he had inspired me and how he had taught me in my life, is the quality of empathy that was inbuilt in me throughout these years. Through childhood itself, like when we used to go to school and we used to attend catechism, we used to be taught by sisters and all. So we were molded in such a way that we were able to relate to other people. Although we as Christians were a small amount of people, like we were only 4 or 5 students who would come out of the classroom every Saturday and go and attend the catechism class, and other people were of other religion. So, but still, we were not asked to be just involved within ourselves, within our community only. We were asked to spread the word, like we were asked to talk to other people about how they are feeling and what they think about our religion, what we think about our religion. So there was a sense of harmony among us.
I would like to share a personal experience of mine. Then a good friend of mine, Sanal Joy, he's a devotee of Saint Chavara, gave me a book, Testament of a Loving Father. So I was reading through that book, and one of a chord struck in my mind. A day in which you haven't done anything for other would not be counted in the book of your life. It gave a new meaning to my life. I thought spreading love. When I start spreading love, it gave me happiness. When I see other people happy, I was truly happy. And if a person like me going through a lot of struggle can change his life around, Sant Chavara can be a truly huge inspiration to everyone.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमने जो सीखा है वो चीज़ को अटूट बनाए रखने में बहुत हद तक हाथ होता है हमारा खुद का, क्योंकि हमारे साथ अलग अलग लोग रहते हैं तो उनका अलग अलग विश्वास होता है, तो हम भी उनमें ढल जाते हैं। हो सकता है कि हम उसमें ढल जाएं, तो ये सब ना हो के ना ढल के हम अटूट बने हैं अभी तक, तो इसका बहुत हद तक हमारा खुद का हाथ और हमारे पीछे जिन्होंने हमारा परिवार, हमारे अध्यापक गण, जिन्होंने हमें ये मूल्य दिए कि आपका विश्वास अटूट होना चाहिए। परिवार एक बहुत महत्व रखता है जीवन में, क्योंकि संत चावरा भी ऐसा कहते हैं कि परिवार बहुत महत्व रखता है जीवन की शैलियों को ढालने के लिए। परिवार ने हमको ये सिखाया कि प्रार्थना बहुत अमूल्य निधि है। अगर आप प्रार्थनामय के साथ आप अपना जीवन व्यतीत करते हो तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा सहन शक्ति मिलती है और आपको बहुत ज़्यादा धैर्य प्रदान मिलता है। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शायद ये सभी सीख मेरे जीवन में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, क्योंकि जैसे मैंने कहा कि मेरा दिनचर्या प्रार्थना से होता है और मेरा दिनचर्या ख़त्म होता है प्रार्थना से।
The qualities that I think can distinguish myself from others are hard work and leadership, I think. Because I have seen fathers and sisters for CMI and CMC work hard and get the fruit of it. They worked hard, they do some projects which can't be done unless they work so hard. So I think that it's one of the qualities that I have inherited from fathers and sisters.
So very glad to hear from you all, and I am sure a saint's soul is near to us always. Whenever you have the devotion to that saint intercedes for you. So when you are in Chavara, their devotion to this saint brings that soul close to you, that soul intercedes for you and makes changes in you. That way, the legacy of Chavara is continued, which I would say, by Jesus Christ through the mediation of Saint Chavara. Continue it. Have the devotion always towards Chavara. Wherever you go, remember him and pray when you are in trouble, when you are in difficulties. Surely his help will be with you always.